Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today I don't have anything particular in mind. I just wanted to put makeup on because honestly I feel like shit at the moment. So I just wanted to put some makeup on, just chill and chat, and yeah, it's all very relaxed and just nothing particular in mind. I did kind of see this look on Instagram that I kind of wanted to recreate, maybe with like green smoky liner, so we might do something like that. So if you like the sounds of that, then keep watching and we'll hang out together, and then yeah, so let's just do it. So I already did my eyebrows and I primed. The sun's just decided to come out. It's kind of late in the day, it's like 1:30. I've just been sat on the sofa all morning just watching YouTube videos. So I pulled out the Jawbreaker palette. Oh, that was very bright. I pulled out the Jawbreaker palette today to play with because it has greens in it. So I'm just going to start off with Cone, which if you can see is this shade down here. It's just sort of like a light, sort of like beigey colour almost. So I'm probably just actually going to mix some Cone with Tasty, which is the one right next to it, which is like a darker brown. Yeah, I was going to play with my new Wet n Wild palette today. This one. And this does have two greens in it, but I just don't know if it would be like, I don't know, it's not the kind of green that I'm looking for. And I also thought that it could be fun to like do one of those random number challenges with that eyeshadow palette, like number them all and then just do that. I don't know, maybe that's a stupid idea. Let me know. What kind of videos do you guys like watching? Like, I feel like I have a lot of ideas, but yeah, I don't know. I'd really appreciate some like feedback, whether it be good or bad feedback, you know. I just really appreciate some feedback from you guys. I'm just feeling very alone today, I think. Just having one of those, just like a bad day, you know. I'm just feeling really alone, sort of like not unmotivated, but like I suppose feeling really doubtful. Like doubtful. I spoke about this a little in my mental health video, but like I have really bad social anxiety where I'm like people don't actually like me, and I feel like I've been feeling that quite a lot maybe the last few days, just like really doubtful of myself and just like I don't know, like people don't actually like me, people don't like watching the videos or anything like that. And this is, I really like doing this, like this is, I don't know, it's just like cathartic, do you know? So whenever I feel like that, I can almost like force myself to come on here, and then at least it's like I'm talking to someone. And like most of the time I do this, like the videos you will never even see them. Like I'll just film a video and then I'll like just delete it. But it was nice to like just speak. I think I did this like darker than I was meaning to, but that's fine. I might actually, just for this one step, take something out of this Wet n Wild palette. I am going to take this one, you know, because there's not really a shade like, there's not really like a shimmer shade that's like subtle in the Jawbreaker palette. I'm just going to take it on just like a brush and I'll just try it wet first. This is my first time ever trying a Wet n Wild shadow. Oh, I feel like it's got quite a bit of fallout, but I don't really mind. So that's that shade. That's actually really pretty. It's like very subtle, very natural, but I really like it. It's a really nice shimmer as well. It makes me more excited to play with that palette, because honestly I was excited to play with it and then I realised that it was all shimmers, and then that kind of made me a bit less excited. There's one thing that I actually kind of forgot to speak about in my mental health video, which is like the thing that's been getting to me like the most over recent times has been like obviously where I've like injured myself, I've broke my ankle, like is the restriction like that's put on me, like not being able to like honestly I haven't left the house in like I mean not even stepped outside, no fresh air at all, I think in about a week or something. And I feel like it's just really been getting to me, like not even just that, but like not being able to walk Brie, because like I've had Brie now nearly 7 years, and like she got me through some really rough times. She got me through an abusive relationship, she got me through an unfaithful relationship, she got me through depression, anxiety, living on my own. Like she's just been like my best friend for like 7 years, and walking her was always something that I did. Like if I wasn't feeling good, then I would walk her and it would make me feel better. And I'd be able to like clear my head and be able to spend time with her and get some fresh air and get some vitamin D, and like that would just be what I would do. And then since I've done this, so we're coming up to like the 3-month mark now, like obviously I haven't been able to do that. I haven't been leaving the house. It's been really hard to be independent because I can't be. Like I have to literally ask Cameron for everything, and I can't clean the house, and like I'm such a control freak. So like cleaning the house, like it has to be like swept a certain way, and like things have to be done a certain way, and like when I can't do it, like it's also unfair to put everything on Cameron because he has like depression and stuff and he's been struggling, and then it's just been hard. I'm just going to take some of this green shade whilst I continue rambling. So I think that's actually been one of the hardest things for me as of late, but I didn't really touch on it in my mental health video. I don't know why. I don't think I had it written down, because as you know, if you watch that video, I had to make like a list, and I don't think I wrote it down. Also just worrying about like the future and how it's gonna affect me, and not even just that, but I'm being sent for like MRI scans and things because they're a bit suspicious that I could have MS. So yeah, I'm worried about that, and that's making my anxiety kind of go a bit crazy because this will be my 4th MRI scan that I've had, and I hate them. Like I get really claustrophobic, and it also like it takes me back to like my first MRI scan I ever had done. I had done when I was 13, and when I went, it was like really early in the morning, and my mum took me, and afterwards, after doing the MRI scan, like I was really frazzled as a kid. It gave me a really bad headache and I was really anxious, and she took me out for McDonald's breakfast, and then later that day we went and got me like my first ever BlackBerry, like the phone. So every time I have an MRI scan, it takes me back to like the first one, and it just makes me feel very vulnerable. And yeah, how are you guys doing? Is there anything that you're struggling with? Like, does this relate to any of you? I don't know. I hope you're all doing well and managing with like lockdown and things, and like just staying safe. Not even just like with regards to the coronavirus, like I hope that you're in a safe environment like at home. But yeah, with regards to my leg, like it's actually doing a bit better. I still have a wound that's healing, but we're actually finally getting there. So I'm not going to get into too many details because I feel like I don't want to like gore anyone out. But when I broke my ankle, can you get off me please? When I broke my ankle, I was taking Breepy, and I like tripped, and like my whole foot like went underneath me, yeah, and I broke all three bones, and I had a compound fracture. Now if you know what that is, you know it's gross. So that wound is still healing, like 3 months now. It's taken forever. And one thing that's really upset me is that I had 2 surgeries. So the first surgery is where the original wound was, and then the second surgery was to put metal plates on the other side. So I have like 3 metal plates now, but on the other side I have like this big old scar. It's like yay big. It's like maybe 20 centimeters, and it went straight through a tattoo that I had. I had like a watercolor tattoo, and it had 3 paws on it to symbolize each dog that I'd had. So I've had 3 dogs. I've had Shirley, Sam and now Brie, and they went straight through my tattoo. And when they were like putting it back together, you can see that they've taken like effort to try and like line it all up, but they've lined it up wrong. Like because it's watercolor, they've mixed it up, so now like one side is a little higher than the other side, and it just bugs me so much. But the surgeons did like a really great job. Like I'm starting to like partial weight bear on that leg, and I think I'm gonna be able to like start trying to walk soon, obviously with the big boot on. But yeah, the surgeons did a great job. It's just like a bit dodgy now. I wish the sun would just bugger off. Oh, it's ridiculously bright. Stop it. I'm unhappy right now, but maybe this will give you a good time to like see the eyes properly. I kind of wanted it to be a bit like darker, but I kind of like it. I might take like just the smallest amount of Tasty like right on the like lash line. I think I might just leave it there for right now. I don't know. Like, should I smoke it out more, or should I just like, I might try and smoke it out a little bit. I will. I'm gonna just take like a, this is like a, what is this called, a smudgy brush or something, and I might just take a bit of, what are you called? Cute. I might try maybe like mixing the two. Okay, I just cleaned that all up really quickly. Apparently I didn't do a very good job. Then I'm gonna go with primer. I'm gonna take this Technic Vitamin C Brightening Primer. My pump stopped working. I don't know what's going on with it. It doesn't seem very happy today. Oh look, I got a dried out bit. I've actually been really liking putting like a glowy primer under a glowy foundation. So that's probably what I'll do. Oh, I'm so annoyed as well because some jewellery came yesterday. But it's like a multi-layered necklace and it all has tangled up. And I spent about 2 hours, and I'm not even over exaggerating, trying to untangle it. But I can't do it. I need Cam to have a look at it. But he's sleeping. But I really wanted to put it on for today's video. But yeah, it just like, it's just so tangled. I can't do it. It's from this brand that offered me like a brand ambassadorship. And I will probably talk about that a bit more, obviously, when I have the jewellery on. But yeah. I'm just a bit bummed because I really wanted to wear it. Yeah, I'll just use my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, I don't think. But then I feel like this can get like a bit too like heavy with a brush. Like it gets kind of like sticky and like hard to blend out. I dodged up my eyebrows a bit, so I'll have to sort that out in a second. I keep doing that recently. I really want to try like soap brows, but I need to get like a soap thing, like a soap styler. I know that I can just buy a bar of soap, but I'm actually allergic. I don't know if it's different with the soap stylers. I feel like they could have different ingredients. I need to look into it more. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like my coverage is just sort of like not doing too well today. I'll do a bit of cream bronzing. I'll take this Body Collection Airbrush Finish Skin Tint in the shade Light. Okay, I think I took too much. So I'm just gonna like put that up there. My freaking baby hairs, man. I swear to God, I have so many at the moment. They're just always getting in the way. Okay, then I'm gonna add concealer. And I've been really loving again my Body Collection illuminating under eye concealer. So I'm just gonna use this. Just a little on my little red cheeky cheeks. I've definitely grown to like accept my redness a lot more. I feel like my videos are always pretty chill. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'm not a chill person. I just feel like I ramble a lot. Like honestly, you would be probably amazed at the amount of like and just like random ass rambles that I have to edit out of these videos. So that's how the complexion's looking. I'll clean up that eyeshadow in a sec. I'll just use this. I finally ordered a new like loose setting powder and I'm so excited to try it. Like I really haven't had much luck with like loose setting powders. They tend to always make me look really dry, but this one that I've ordered is meant to be like I'm fairly certain it's meant to be like a bit luminous, like a bit radiant. I'm just gonna take my Poundland one, why not? So we're bronzed, and I really actually like this bronzer because I feel like not only does it like bronze you, I feel like it almost like works as blush kind of. I'm still gonna add a little blush probably because like, I don't know, I've really taken to it recently. But I am gonna take a little of this one down here because I want sort of like a deep sort of like almost like bronzish one to match my like eye makeup that I have going. By the way, this is just my Technic Mega Blush Palette. I was looking the other day online and I was thinking of buying like a different like some more blushes, but like this palette has so many colours in it that I don't really need like more. Then I'm going to take my new highlight palette, which I'm kind of in love with at the moment, although I've only used it once. It's this Olivia Hale highlighting palette. This is from Home Bargains, and it's just beautiful. So I'm going to take this shade today. It's just like a light champagne colour. It's just so pretty. I'm just like making sure to like really like buff it all in. I don't want any stripes or like loose glitter flyaways or anything. I don't really think there's much glitter in this though. I think there's like the tiniest bit. Where is it? As per usual, I'm just doing my W7 Flower Power. I actually ordered a new setting spray, which I'm so excited for, because I literally have this one and a matte one. So like, I've just been reaching for this one ever since I got it. I hate the smell so much, but why does it have to be such a good finish? I think I'm just gonna take like a cone, maybe mixing a little bit of Tasty, but probably not. I think I'm just gonna take cone, just like for some really, really soft definition. Go back to my highlighter palette, and I'm gonna put this one in my inner corner and probably under my brow bone as well quickly. Then I will do some mascara. I'm just gonna do some brown mascara. That's like brown black. It's a Poundland one. So I'll curl my lashes, do this, and then probably just stick shimmy on my lips because yeah, I just feel like it would go. I'll be back in a sec. I'm just gonna put on some white eyeliner quickly, and I just kept the mascara to my top lashes. I just feel like this helps so much to like open up the eye. I've really been enjoying it. Okay, and then we're done apart from the hair. I might just keep it up, I don't know. I just took my hair down, like I haven't done anything to it. Not that I ever do anything to it because I'm lazy and also I don't know how to do hair. But if you want to see like in the sun, natural lighting and everything, this is how it all looks. I'll come a bit closer for you so you can hopefully see everything. I do apologise about the sun. It's just been a bit annoying, isn't it? But yeah, in natural lighting and everything. If you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and please consider subscribing and becoming part of my little Katie family. Yay! How many times do I have to say yeah? But thank you for hanging out with me today and listening to me ramble and rant and stuff. And I'm very sorry if I've been depressing. That's the end of this video. Thank you for hanging out with me and everything. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye.